you're committed to breastfeed. Awesome! You're giving your baby the perfect mix of nutrients and things to ensure baby grows up big and strong. Shoo! The list of extra goodies Mother Nature is packing into breast milk is pretty long. It includes nucleotides, fatty acids, immunoglobulins or antibodies, glycoproteins, cytokines, immune cells, lysozyme, lactoferrin, immunomodulatory factors such as exomes and microRNAs, stem cells, oligosaccharides, and bacteria. Join us for this episode of Better Body Chemistry TV as we discover how bacteria end up in mom's breast milk. Better Body Chemistry TV is brought to you by Dr. Sandy, a scientist turned gremlin buster, helping you battle sugar gremlins, heifer lumps, and other health horribles through better body chemistry. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health. So, breast milk contains around 1,000 to 10,000 bacteria per milliliter. Don't panic. They're not the kind of bacteria that cause disease. These are the good guys. They will become your baby's microflora, the collection of bacteria that teaches your baby's immune system the ABCs: who to avoid, who to befriend, and who to cultivate. Getting this right will help baby fight infections, avoid autoimmune disorders, and minimize metabolic troubles for the rest of their life. In fact, they're so important. This is the reason breast milk comes loaded with oligosaccharides. It's the third most prevalent nutrient in breast milk. Each liter has between 5 and 15 grams. The oligosaccharides aren't providing nutrition for your baby. They're there to feed the bacteria, so they're happy and healthy. So where do the bacteria come from? Your gut. Surprised? Scientists are just beginning to piece together the details of the Great Migration. It's an epic journey, requiring the bacteria to first escape the intestine by crossing the intestinal epithelium. Next, they must evade the immune system and reach the mammary gland. Next, they must squeeze through the epithelial membranes into the breast tissue, landing in the milk, to finally be slurped down when baby suckles. So how do they do it? Well, bacteria are too small and vulnerable to make this big move unsupported. The evidence suggests they're being deliberately transported by the immune system. The cells doing the immunoporting are a specialized type of cell known as the dendritic cells. Dendritic cells' big job is to survey the body and collect information about who is around. They then pass this information on to the T cells, who respond appropriately, which usually means they come out guns blazing. When immunoporting happens, scientists believe the dendritic cells reach in and grab gut residents. How they manage to arrive alive is still a mystery. It's suspected that progesterone ensures they are not digested by the dendritic cells prior to arrival. They arrive at the breast just as the milk production machine is about to go online. The breast reconstruction process, designed to ensure the breasts are big enough and ready to keep Junior supplied with nourishment, is largely complete. Prolactin, the foreman in charge of Operation Milk, has made the nipple and areola larger, The ducts and alveoli have all been extended and the blood supply enhanced. In the final stages of liftoff, prolactin gives the order to the claudin proteins inside the tight junctions to loosen their grip. The epithelial cells move apart, making the epithelial layer permeable enough to allow milk to slip through. Finally, the oxytocin surge, which is designed to push baby out, also causes the microepithelial cells to contract, pushing the bacteria through the layer. Plop, plop, thousands of bacteria are winging their way to baby. The colostrum is especially full of bacteria, but the bacteria continue to be sent throughout breastfeeding, ensuring baby develops a healthy microflora. So, which bacteria make the epic journey? Scientists are not sure. They do know that every mom has a unique milk microbiome. And since it begins with your gut, logic suggests your milk microbiome is going to be related to your gut microbiome. So, you need to ensure you're feeding, seeding, and not accidentally or deliberately reading your gut microbiome unnecessarily to pass on the right bacteria for your little one, so that you create better body chemistry for your baby. Interested in discovering more ways to create better body chemistry so you optimize your health and the health of your family? Visit our website www.betterbodychemistry.com. Browse our library or enroll in one of our free e-courses. The advice is simple to follow and based on real science, not hype. Know someone who is expecting? Share this video with them so they understand how awesome Mother Nature is. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you catch future episodes of Better Body Chemistry TV. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health.